Hello student, this is Professor Sagar Mohite. In this video, I will tell you some updates of the IDOL, Institute of Distance and Open Learning, University of Mumbai. Okay, the admissions of IDOL has already been started by the university, and the most of the admission will close on 20th November 2021. Okay, for FY classes, for MCOM, MA Part 1, Part 2, SY, TY classes, the admission will close on 20th November 2021. And the university has started new courses this year, okay, from 2021. MMS or MBA course, it has 720 seats available for the admission, and MCA has already been started by the university in earlier year, but it has now 2000 seats available for the admission. Okay, but the entrance test related to these both the courses, that is MMS or MBA or MCA courses, uh, the dates of the entrance test will be declared soon by the university. Okay, this is the updates of the admission. All the admission dates, admission closing dates is 20th November, but don't wait till the 20th November. Take the admission as the earliest, so that there will not be trouble, because at the end of the in the end, you will find that website will be closed down, or there is a problem in processing, there is problem will be in the payment of admission fee. Okay, so don't wait till end date, do the admission at the earliest. Okay, and another updates of the examination timetable, most of the repeaters or the yearly fresher admissions examination will start from 23rd or 24th November. Okay, so the timetable of all the examination has been displayed by the university website. Okay, this is the website of the Institute of Distance and Open Learning university website. You can go to this website, Distance and Open Learning. Okay, you can go to this website by using the Google, just to mention Mumbai University. Okay, okay, you will find first website here, mu.ac.in. Click on that website. Okay, and in the topmost corner you will find here Distance and Open Learning. Click here to go to the Distance and Open Learning website. Click here, you will find this website, Distance and Open Learning, and in this website you will find some updates here. This is the notification you will get, recent notification. And for the timetable, for the examination timetable, you can click here. Okay, examination timetable. Okay, here you will find all the examination timetable. Okay, most of the examination timetable has been displayed by the university in the on the university website here. Okay, most of the exam are going to start from 20th, 23rd or 24th November. Okay, all the examination timetables are available on the university website. Okay, these are the some of the timetable. This is MA Part 1 yearly, Part 2. Okay, this is Part 1 timetable yearly pattern. Okay, this is MA Part 2 yearly pattern. Exam will start from 24th November. Okay, next this is timetable for the MA Part 1 yearly pattern. Okay, exam will start from 23rd November. This is TY BA timetable yearly pattern. Okay, and exam will start from 23rd November. Okay, next this is TY BCom yearly timetable. This exam will also start from 23rd November. This is FY BA timetable. Okay, exam will start from 23rd November, and in this timetable you will find this paper code. Okay, you can use this paper code for the for finding out your subject. Actually, if your paper code is 1, then that paper will be held first. Like that you will find your actually subject, or you can see your hall ticket to in order to find out which paper will held on which date. Because if you see the timetable, you will find all the paper list on the same day. Okay, in this case, those paper actually paper code is lowest will held first, then the higher paper code. Okay, like that. If you are if you have selected English, Marathi and Urdu literature as optional paper, at that time you will give English literature paper on 22nd November. Okay, on 29th November you will give Marathi literature paper. Okay, Marathi literature, and finally you will give Urdu literature paper. Here on 30th you will give Urdu literature paper. Like that you will give paper. Okay, as per the paper code. This is the timetable of first year BCom. Okay, and you will find here one notice is there. Okay, mock test will be held from 20th November to 22nd November till 12 noon, 12 midnight. Okay, these 3 days there will be a mock test from 20, 21 to 22 November. Okay, it is compulsory to give mock test, so that you will be able to give your final examination. Okay, this is SYBA, SYBA. These are the timetable, and one another updates of the result of the MA SEM 1 and MCOM SEM 1 is already declared on 20th on 30th sorry on 30th October 2021. Okay, you can download this result on university website. You will find result here, actually result of the IDOL. On the same website there is another tab, result of the IDOL. Click here, you will find result. Okay, this is MCOM SEM 1 and this is MS SEM 1, MSc SEM 1 also. Result also has been declared by the university. Okay, so these are the updates of the IDOL. Okay, if you want to listen or know the notification of the IDOL, then you can subscribe my channel so that you will receive the notification of the IDOL. Okay, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will receive all the updates. Okay, thank you very much.